Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Fitbit Aria Air Smart Scale. Designed for those already in the Fitbit ecosystem, this scale promises to integrate seamlessly with your fitness tracking routines. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Fitbit Aria Air isn't just about weighing yourself. It's about syncing your data with the Fitbit app. It measures your body weight and calculates BMI, which is handy for tracking your health goals over time. The scale itself is sleek, made from tempered glass with a minimalistic design that fits well in any home environment. First off, it's incredibly easy to use. Step on, and within seconds, your weight is displayed on a clear LED screen. The integration with the Fitbit app is seamless, automatically syncing your data to provide a comprehensive view of your health metrics. It's also safe for use during pregnancy and for those with pacemakers. However, there are a few drawbacks. It doesn't measure body composition metrics like body fat percentage or muscle mass, which might be a deal breaker for some users. Also, despite its sleek design, cleaning the scale can be a bit of a hassle due to fingerprint smudges on the glass surface. In terms of accuracy, the Aria Air performs well, rounding weight measurements to the nearest 0.2 pounds, which is standard for digital scales. The LED display is backlit for easy reading, even in dimly lit bathrooms. Setting up the Aria Air is straightforward, and it's compatible with both Android and iOS devices. It also works with popular fitness apps like Google Fit and MyFitnessPal, expanding its usability beyond just Fitbit users. So, should you consider the Fitbit Aria Air? If you're already invested in the Fitbit ecosystem and primarily need a scale for basic weight tracking and BMI calculations, it's a solid choice. However, if you're looking for more advanced metrics like body fat percentage, you might want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the Fitbit Aria Air Smart Scale. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.